You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken Tech for your ears.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're sorting through a really fascinating stack of sources about the lightning-fast evolution of AI. Our goal here is to uncover some genuinely surprising insights, and look at the unexpected ways AI is reshaping things from your browser right up to the courtroom.
Exactly. We'll be unpacking the sheer scale of global investment, looking at some pretty wild applications, and really exploring what all this rapid change means for you.
All right, let's jump right in. First up, there's this big partnership between Replit and Microsoft. Get this. They're making it possible for regular business users to create and deploy actual enterprise apps just using natural language, like no coding experience needed at all.
Yeah, that's the amazing part. It's not just a neat trick. What's fascinating is how it pushes AI towards, well, much broader accessibility. It's about lowering that barrier to entry massively.
Totally democratizing creation, not just use. Imagine the custom tools people could build.
And connecting right to that, you've got Gemini Nano. That's set to land in Chrome 137. So powerful AI right there on your device, baked into the browser, millions use every day.
On device, so faster, maybe more private too?
Potentially, yeah. And for developers, there's this prompt API. It offers a really flexible way to tap into that built-in intelligence for their own stuff.
That feels like a significant shift for just everyday computing.
Okay,
Okay, so
yeah.
speaking of significant, the money flowing into AI, it's staggering. Mistral, the French AI startup, right? They're reportedly talking about raising another $1 billion.
Wow, $1 billion on top of the $1 billion they already have.
Exactly. And they're not just collecting cash, they're partnering up to build Europe's biggest AI data center. It really highlights the global scale of this race, doesn't it?
It absolutely does. And if you connect this to the bigger picture, this intense global competition isn't just the usual tech giants anymore. That kind of funding lets companies like Mistral really scale up, build the core infrastructure needed to compete head on. And, speaking of competition shaking things up, look at the fully open source Olmo 2 models. They're 32 billion parameter models, so quite complex, right? It's now actually outperforming things like GPT 3.5 Turbo, even the GPT 4o Mini on some key tests.
Outperforming the big commercial ones. Seriously.
On certain benchmarks, yeah. Things testing reasoning, common sense. And the key insight there is how open source is democratizing advanced AI. It's challenging that proprietary dominance and, honestly, probably speeding up innovation for everyone. It kind of levels the playing field.
Okay, that is a major development. So with all this foundational stuff happening, where is AI popping up in unexpected ways? Things are getting pretty wild, aren't they?
Yeah, I saw this piece about a Harvard law grad. He fed his case briefs into Claude 4 Opus, and the AI generated what he called an outstanding oral argument. It even came up with clever responses he hadn't thought of himself. Makes you wonder about human expertise in these complex fields,
It really does. And it raises some pretty important questions about AI's role in really personal or ethical areas. Like we're seeing reports of people using AI chatbots as trip sitters for psychedelic experiences.
As trip sitters.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Often because it's cheaper or faster than finding traditional therapy or guidance.
Yeah.
But experts are really asking, can an AI really provide that crucial emotional support, that attunement?
It lacks genuine empathy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You can't read the room, so to speak.
Exactly. It can't read subtle cues or react with that spontaneous, nuanced care that might be critical in, potentially overwhelming situations. MindBloom is even integrating AI into ketamine programs, which add another layer to think about.
Well, those are definitely some provocative applications. AI is also being woven into more, let's say, structured parts of society too, like Microsoft, OpenAI, and Anthropic putting up $23 million together.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. To train teachers.
Right, 400,000 teachers in AI working with teachers' unions and this National Academy of AI Instruction. That seems like a really vital step.
Definitely crucial. Helping schools figure out how to actually use this stuff, integrate it responsibly into education for the next generation. It's just the sheer speed and the sheer breadth of all this AI development it's kind of astounding. From business tools to courtrooms to therapy.
It really illustrates that AI isn't just another tool, is it? It's actively reshaping entire industries, it's challenging our basic assumptions, and it's kicking off some really vital conversations about its role, its very profound role in our future. So thinking about everything we've touched on today, what surprising application of AI do you think might be just around the corner?
Spoken Tech for your ears.